Welcome to Boltech Training Institute. Train with professionals. We are here to give you the best. Join the best college. Do you want to make good cash just in 3 months? Join Boltech Training Institute. The institute that gives you the best for you, the best for your community. Get certification. Train with the best. Train with the best in the industry. Be equipped. Join the biggest market to tap from. Mobile phone repair. Learn from the best, the leader. Well-equipped lab. Well-equipped workbench. Join the best profession. Be a professional. Welcome. Thank you.